160 calories, that's per serving. That's 21 pieces. And I know your ass is not gonna eat just 21 pieces. Little Debbie is the little devil, bro. But you think she care about you? Do you think she care about you? Look at her in the face. 3 of these small little cookies, 160 calories, bro. Come on. This shit got red 40 in it. You're gonna be in the toilet for about 40 minutes. This is what I'm saying. Y'all ain't even like this. This time about thin crust and everybody getting big off that shit. People get the party size bags and they eat the whole thing. His ass is generating money, throwing up hot Cheetos and shit. Little Debbie, that's not her name, bro. This is the little devil, bro. Look at her in the face and ask her if it's okay to eat this shit. Look at her in the face. From this line to the right, everything is right. Simple, bro. To the right, to the right. People's mind don't be to that level. Like, if you're really eating stuff like that, you ain't locked in, bro. This shit got about 30 ingredients, bro. If you eat something like this, don't even talk to me no more, bro. You gonna have chorro for about 3 days.